Thank you, Madam President. I rise for a point of personal privilege, a reading of a resolution.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Whereas Allister Adel passed away at the age of 45 on April 30th, 2022 in Phoenix, Arizona. And whereas born on November 10th, 1976 in Dallas, Texas, Allister was raised in a tight-knit family, and she especially adored her father and grandfather. Growing up, they often would visit South Padre Island, a place she loved to return to as an adult with her family. And whereas, after earning her undergraduate degree from the University of Arizona, Allister earned her law degree from the Sandra Day O'Connor College of Law at Arizona State University to pursue her dream of becoming a prosecutor. During her studies, she volunteered as a victim's advocate, participated in moot court competitions, and took as many courses as she could with her favorite professor, the late Michael Bench. She was named valedictorian of her 2004 graduating class. And whereas in 2002, Allister married David Donito, and together they had 2 sons. Her boys were her pride and joy and the light of her life, and she was often heard extolling all their wonderful qualities and accomplishments. And whereas brilliant and kind with a razor-sharp wit and intelligent sense of humor, Allister loved to laugh and revel in playing quirky pranks on her family and friends as flocking her friend's house with flamingos on their birthdays. And whereas a devoted public servant, Allister dedicated to improving the lives of those around her, she began her legal career at the Maricopa County Attorney's Office, where she was an award-winning felony prosecutor and tirelessly advocated for victims' rights. During her tenure as Deputy County Attorney, Allister served in the Vehicular Crimes, Gang, and Drug Enforcement Bureaus, and served as the Chief Administrative Law Judge for the Arizona Department of Transportation. Later, she was appointed to the General Counsel for the Arizona Department of Child Safety, where she worked to protect our state's most vulnerable citizens. And whereas her dedication to protecting and serving children was her passion and top priority throughout her distinguished career, she also proudly served for 2 years as the Executive Director of the Maricopa County Bar Association. A true trailblazer, Allister made history when she was appointed to the position of Maricopa County Attorney in October 2019, the first woman in Arizona history to hold that title. She described that esteemed appointment as her dream job. The following year, she continued to shatter glass ceilings as she was the first woman elected to that position. And whereas Allister was dedicated to philanthropy and community service, and one of her most profound and formative experiences was becoming a Rotarian from 2017 to 2018. She served as the president of the Phoenix Rotary 100, where she raised funds to support organizations that were in the forefront of fighting human trafficking. She also worked with the city of Phoenix to fund a fellowship area and butterfly garden at the Starfish Place, a transitional housing facility for the trafficking survivors and their families. And whereas a dedicated mother, wife, and public servant, Allister was deeply devoted to her community and was unwavering in her commitment to ensuring fairness and justice. She is survived by her husband of 20 years, David, her 2 sons, and her father, John. She will be missed by her family, her many friends, and the people of Arizona. Therefore, be it resolved by the State Senate of Arizona that the members of the Arizona State Senate sincerely regret the passing of Allister Adel and extend their most sincere sympathies and condolences to the surviving relatives and friends. Dated this 16th day of May 2022, Karen Fan, President of the Arizona State Senate, Rick Gray, State Senator, Legislative District 21.
Thank you. The reader will please read the message from the House.
Madam President, I am directed by the House to inform the Senate that it has read in full and unanimously adopted House Concurrent Resolution 2044, Allister Adel Death Resolution, respectfully signed, Crystal Fernandez, Chief Clerk.
Thank you. Under introduction and first reading of bills, House Concurrent Resolution 2044, Allister Adel Death Resolution. Senator Gray, would you please read the, oh, well, you've already read the resolution, sorry.
Thank you, Madam
Senator,
President.
will
I
you
move
please
the
move
House
adoption?
Concurrent Resolution 2044 be unanimously adopted and that the Senate stand in a moment of silent memory of Allister Adel.
Thank you, members. You've all heard that motion. All in favor indicate by saying aye. Any opposed, nay. We will now stand in a moment of silence. Thank you.